Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. And if it's your first time here, welcome to Majid's Kitchen. There are many interesting videos for you to watch. Check out the playlist, check out my channel, and consider subscribing. In today's video, I show you one of my most loved teas that I enjoy drinking, and it's a ginger tea. I'm going to show you two ways in which you can serve this and one basic formula to get your ginger tea tasting like the best tea you ever had. Let's get started. Two key ingredients: ginger and tea leaves. Now I'm using a Ceylon tea here, and I'm using loose tea leaves. You can use tea bags as well, but I find you get a full flavor from loose tea. Brown sugar, some condensed milk. Now you can use full cream milk. I'm also going to show you the plain tea version. And for the ginger, I'm going to show you two types of ginger that I have here. So the smaller ones I find have a lot more strength, and this is an organic ginger which is really strong in flavor. And then some of the more common ones that we find in the store, the bigger pieces. If you're going to be using this, it's fine, but you would have to use probably 80 to 100% more, so probably double the amount to get the strength of this one. This one's about 30 grams, this one is about 60 grams. So I've peeled some ginger here that we will put in the mortar and pestle. We will smash it there to release the flavor of the ginger. Next, I have about 4 cups of water that I'm going to bring to a boil, and I'm using filtered water, and it's usually preferred if you live in an area where the water is hard, then just filtered water would do for this. Even bottled water will make a difference in your tea. It's not a have to, but it's just a tip for a better tasting cup of tea. Plain tea will do for this recipe. If you use something like Earl Grey, for example, because of the bergamot, it will alter the flavor. But you could use it if you really want to. So our water is almost at a simmer, and this is where I'll be adding in those tea leaves. So I have a teaspoon and a spoon, not a tablespoon, just an ordinary spoon, of which I'll be using 2.5 spoons of tea leaves to 4 cups of water. 2.5 spoons, which is 13 to 15 grams of tea leaves into this water. Give it a stir. So it's on low heat at the moment. Now I will add in 2 spoons of sugar, and I'm using brown sugar as mentioned. Now with the sugar, 2 for now, as I've done this many times, is good because we're going to use condensed milk to make the final tea, to finish it off. So 2 spoons of sugar there, and give that a stir. Now let's work on the ginger. Slice the ginger. Smash that ginger. Not too fine, but just to release its flavor. just like this. Let's add the ginger to this. At this point, I'll turn up the heat for the tea to boil and for that ginger flavor to be extracted into the tea. After about 3 minutes, you can begin to smell that aroma of ginger from the steam. That's when you know it's ready. So turn off the stove and pull the tea to the side. Pour it in. So if you're serving up maybe a portion of plain tea, plain ginger tea, then from this particular batch, this is what we'll do. Pour 2/3 of a cup of tea. Then top it up with 1/3 of boiling water. And there you have a lovely cup of plain ginger tea. And now to complete the milk tea, I will be adding 2 spoons of condensed milk to our tea. So to sum up, 4 cups of filtered water, 2.5 spoons of loose tea leaves, 2 spoons of brown sugar, and 2 spoons of condensed milk for this batch. That's one. The easiest way to take it out is just to on the side. Now this is preference. You can put a little more or a little less. You could also use whole milk or full cream milk. It's really up to you. The advantage of using condensed milk, you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Okay, let's pour a cup of ginger milk tea. What a beautiful color and aroma. And there we have a wonderful cup of ginger milk tea. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful color and aroma. Let's try it. Simply delicious. Thanks for watching. I love being inspired and to inspire others. Please consider subscribing.